Alrighty, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday, 7th of July. Now, yesterday I couldn't roll out many updates for SOP and other stuff. Well, weird story, long story. Let's just say my sleep wasn't really good and I couldn't even actually have too much energy to to make the videos. Anyways, so here we are, and we look at Bitcoin. It's trading at $20,371. I've talked about how in yesterday's video, the bear flag can actually switch into a bullish pattern, which is going to be the Adams and Eve double bottom on a daily time frame. So many coins are making double bottom. Okay, so we do have Bake has a double bottom, and as far as I see it, Bake, it's broken out, looking to move higher. We do have another pattern that has a double bottom. Jasmine, for example, has a double bottom, right? So we're going to talk about Jasmine today on the channel. Just keep an eye on that. So it broke out of this double bottom area, and you're looking for a technical target for 12392. Actually, right there, it could actually go down for the retest and then move higher. That's another story. We do have CVX. I always forget the name of this coin. Is it CVX, CFX? Let's see if it's CVX though. Yeah, CVX. Here we are. Double bottom. Move to the upside. So far the altcoins are hinting for Bitcoin to actually end up making a double bottom. And yes, if Bitcoin does manage to somehow come up here to this neckline and break it out, then we're looking for Bitcoin to move up to $24,000. And this $25,000 was a price that I was expecting quite a while ago. So you do have this first bottom and the second bottom, and so far you're really trying to push yourself a little bit higher and move higher. Now we do have a morning star as well, so that morning star can actually is in play at the moment. So do check Bitcoin at $19,318. You don't want to lose that level. That's quite an important level now, because that's where you have this bullish pattern, and that's where you place the stop. So if it actually takes out that stop, it's gonna move more down. But stop losses, they're better placed a little bit lower than the main candle, just to avoid stop loss hunting. Sometimes they just come down there and then they move up, right? So it's always better to move your stops a little bit lower so that you can avoid being taken out for no reason and then they move higher. Now the thing is, this is a big support right now, that one that you see, boom, right? So you're holding this level quite good right now, and there's a little bit of an ascending triangle for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it does have that ascending triangle, which is actually a bullish pattern. If we're holding the retest perfectly, which I think you can do because today's Thursday, so they like to actually push the prices higher, then you're looking for Bitcoin to come up here to $21,468. Yes, unless you just don't start to fall inside the ascending triangle once again, then you're really looking good to actually move up to 21,477. The game doesn't really end there. The issue is that when you do come up here, you're gonna be met with the resistance that is gonna be a little bit heavy for Bitcoin, because that resistance was over there. It was over here. One here as well, another one here, tried to break out but couldn't, another one tried to break out but it didn't do that, and then again you're going back to that resistance. And that's why I say, if somehow you actually do manage to break it out, back test it, then you're looking for Bitcoin to really make that super jump to $24,000 level. So that's gonna be like a rise of nearly from there to there, 13%, maybe 20-30% for many different altcoins as well. If they do have a double bottom, we're gonna try to figure out. Just watch the channel, watch the updates that I'm releasing out there, so that you can get to know what exactly is going on. So it's amazing, isn't it? We're trying to put in a double bottom, but the thing is that it's not out of the water yet. It's not out of the water. We still have a long way to go. So it's like 25% loading. That's gonna be a nice title today. So 25% loaded, okay? And what I mean by that is that 25% means almost like, you make that ascending triangle, good. That's really amazing. You're halfway here. That's these two things are 25%. Another 25% is pending to go up here and to break it out and back test, right? So when you break it out somehow, when you come up here, that's going to be like 30% loaded, right? 30-40%. When you break it out, that's 50%. When you come back for the retest, that is 70%. When you hold the retest, like a boss, and then you intend to move higher, that's 100%, because you're gonna go boom right over there. So it's like, that's just how trading really is, to be honest, and that's how you can become profitable when you apply such a mindset, because it's step by step. It's all going above the staircase, right? So let's bring in the black screen here on the side. So you see, that's your first step, the hardest one. You take another step, you go for another step, you go higher, right? This is how you just climb up that successful trade, and then you want to congratulate yourself, and then you take out yourself for a dinner, isn't it? But if you think that trading is just like, oh, I just bought it here, and you don't have that, step-by-step check, and then you think it's like this, damn, it's gonna be bad. It's like in software engineering, we have this concept of agile methodologies, right? So agile methodologies really mean that you have this football pitch right there. I'm going to give you an example. Actually, it's breaking out things into small chunks, and it's like divide and conquer kind of thing. And then you have this goal right over here. So that's the football field, ugly looking football field, and a goal right there. So if you're just, let's say you're really good, even better than Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, and then you want to try to shoot the ball to the net, right? You might shoot the ball, it might really pass. Do you understand that? Or you might terribly fail, because that's only one chance that you have, and it's a very long distance, and you're taking a long shot, kiddo. So the thing is, you might go outside, it might go outside, and there's a very small chance for you to go in. But what if you had the teammates as well, right? So if you use your teammates in there, and you use the ball to pass, so you pass the ball, first step, you pass the ball, second step, you pass the ball, you pass the ball, you pass the ball, you go near the goal. Tell me, what's the chances of you winning, and what's the chances of you not winning? I think you almost have like 100% chance of you winning, by the way, to kick into the goal. You're just in there in the goal, except if you're not a person who is absolutely a nerd, or blind, or maybe magic happens and you just don't do it. And sometimes, yes, in crypto though, magic can happen. You can even see that Bitcoin still breaks it out, backtest, and somehow no volume to continue higher, and it still drops. So yeah, that kind of sucks in crypto, so that can be expected, but less likely to happen. It's just like how we had this left shoulder here, right shoulder, head and the right shoulder. We broke the inverse head and shoulder. We even back tested the inverse head and shoulder, but you still didn't go to the technical target. Instead, you just went below this level. So enough. So that's it for this quick update, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Do join our Discord if you're new, though. The link is in the description of the video. I'm going to look at the Discord link in the description, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.